Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good at your home. I know you all are missing your school. School is also missing you. But right now, it is good to stay home and stay safe. I know you all are studying also through your online classes and practicing through worksheets. Today I am here to teach you some creative activity which will lighten your mood. So I will not take too much of your time and let's get started. Today I am going to teach you how to make a photo frame at your home, which is very easy to make, and it is going to very much fun. For making this photo frame we need a cardboard, and if you don't have cardboard at your home, there is nothing to worry about. You can take back cover of your old notebooks. So right now you can see I have written some items which we need to make our photo frames. First cardboard, and I have written its size also. Then colored chart paper or any scrapbook paper you can take. I have written size also. Then 16 colored sheet, but I have written size also, that we need it in 8 into 21 centimeter. Then 4 small colored sheets and size has been written. Favicol, 4 pearls, scissors, 1 paintbrush or any stick which you are having at your home. Now this is our cardboard, and I have taken this colored sheet, same size which we have taken of cardboard. Now with the help of Favicol we will paste it. Don't use too much of Favicol. Now it is pasted. We will put it aside. Now I have taken these kind of paper. It is 8 centimeter in length and it is 21 centimeter in width. And I have taken this kind of paper. It is 6 centimeter in length and width both. Now what we have to do with this paper? I have taken this paintbrush, and with the help of this paintbrush I am going to roll it up. You can take help of any stick which is round. Roll it very carefully. Slowly. And now at the end we are going to put some glue. So it will fix it. And extra glue you can remove with your fingers. We have to press it very tightly. And now remove the brush. Now for your convenience, I have already made so many colorful pipes like this. And see, I have made 16 pipes and with the different colors. You can see 4 of blue, 4 of green, then 4 of orange and 4 of yellow. These are my favorite colors, but you can take your own favorite colors. Okay? Now this last paper, we have to fold it like this. Then again like this. And now from this corner we are going to make now we have folded like this. One more time I am going to tell you how to fold this piece of paper. First fold is this, then second fold is this, then this. At this side of the paper we have to make one leaf pattern with the help of pencil, not too much big. You see? Now with the help of scissors we will cut it. Take care while you are using scissors. Now we are going to open it. Just see, it is a kind of flower, but it is not proper, I know. Now we will use this scissor again and we will not open it right now. We will just use this back side of the scissor and then we will curl it down the petals of the flowers. Now you can see the 4 petals I have roll it up. Then take it in your hand. I have taken this brush and then put it like this. And now it is going to be like this. Don't worry if it is not proper. Now put some glue in between and we have taken some pearls. Now I'll place this pearl in center. Now let it dry. I have already made 1, 2, 3 and this 4 flowers. These flowers I have made of my own favorite colors, but you can take any of the color which you like to take. Now we will keep them aside. And now we are going to start pasting these all things on our photo frame. We will first take this blue pipe. See how we have to put this pipe. We have to take it, hold it like this, and we will start like this. We have to leave some margin over here, okay? And now this is last. Ta-da! Now you can see how I have pasted all the pipes. You can take any of the colors of any of the choice. There is no hard and fast rule to take these colors only. And now we are going to place the flowers. Put some glue over here. And now place it here. Then here some glue and then place it here. Then put some glue over here and then flower. And last place it here. Ta-da! You can place any of the photograph which you want to like and you can hang it or you can place it on your bed. Hope you all like my activity and try it at your home. Bye-bye.